Yes, I'm here again once more, my people. Big up, respect, and manners to each and everyone. My people, first things first, I am going to present a video to you, and in this video, a person said some words that also includes my children and the word bullying, along with other words as well. Viewers and subscribers, you might be surprised to hear some of the words that the person said in this video. You might be surprised to hear some things that the person said. So I say, I want you to listen carefully to every single word that the person said in this video and tell me what you think. See? And brace yourself, because some of the words that the person said in this video might be somewhat upsetting to some of you, my viewers and subscribers. So viewer discretion is advised for this video. Look, listen, and observe, my people.
Good afternoon, everyone. Who knows me? No, I'm not the type to vent on social media.
Listen.
This is the last resort.
Listen.
Over the past 2 to 3 months, I've had numerous reports of my children being on the receiving end of bullying. My child had lashes stemming from chairs, being attacked with chairs, iron chairs, to the back of his head, his back.
Yeah.
He had to be in the health center. He had blood in his urine. My daughter was sexually harassed, being she slapped on her butt many occasions. Now I did the right thing. I went to the station. I made numerous reports.
Yeah.
I went to the school numerous times, and the principal told me all she can do is suspend.
Listen.
Okay, no problem. I cannot argue with that. I have, if you can look, all these are reports. 1, 2,
Look.
3, 4, 5
Look
reports. Where I went to the station seeking help. Last Friday, my daughter was in school. The children had a free period where they engaged themselves in these rubber band fights and rubber band activities, play fights or whatever, right? So my daughter, being a quiet person, she stepped out of the class to abstain from getting lash in her eyes or whatever. Now, apparently, 3 Form 5 students, now I have their names, I gave the names to the police. 3 Form 5 students, 3 Form 5 boys, decide that the mother put her vagina there and they want to interfere with it. You understand? One gagged my daughter by her eyes, the other one gagged her mouth, and the other one held on to her arms, and they dragged up a step in an upper floor where they proceeded to fondle with her. They managed, they reached so far they removed her underwear and they started to touch her in her. Plain talk, bad manners. If it was any other parent, I am positively sure they wasn't going to the police. They would have dealt with this themselves.
Yeah.
I did the right thing again for the 5th or almost 6th time. I went to the police. I went to St. Margaret's police station, where the matter was forwarded to Child Protection Unit. We received a call. We went Tuesday. We gave our statements and whatever. Today, it didn't even make a week. It didn't even make 7 days. Today, I received a call during exam. My child is in Form 3. She has exams. Her exams were scheduled for today. She went to school today, my daughter, as well as my son. Both are in Form 3. They went to school today. Only I have to receive a call, 1 o'clock, that these same 3 fellas come back again to attack my daughter again. The shouting remarks at her, the shouting taunts at her, that time to grab her again. But
Well, and my people, it not done. More I share this video. Share this video. Listen me, I say. You hear the words them that have been said? You hear? Listen carefully. Listen.
But this time, well, last Friday, she didn't see who it was. But once a mistake, twice a habit. They come back again. They're trying to attempt again behind she. So I received a call from the school saying to go to the station. Went to the station again, make a report. Seeing that it was 20 to 2, and I have to wait on my son. So I parked outside the school waiting on my son. Upon dismissal, Mr. Form 5 guy decide to say, when he see me stand up outside the car waiting on my children, "Ma'am, nobody I want your daughter. Nobody I want your daughter." When we interfere with she cat was dribbling. She liked that. Right? So I walk up to him, ask him what it is you're really saying, what's going on. He started attacking me. My husband come to try to start a party argument. He started to attack my husband together with these bunch of ghetto rats who these parents breeding, these set of rapists. They're breeding them and sending them to school to interfere with people, girl children, and assault people, boy children, who only going to school to learn. If these children don't want to learn, keep them home. They attack me. They attack my son. My son have bleeding and bruises to his forehead with a bossy head here, in front here. They bust him. In the back of his neck, it's swollen. Right? Went to the station, make a report. Police jumped in the vehicle, they make a patrol. I coming back out from the station now. I have videos as well. The stand up there, the train tones, the train remarks. One of them walking up to the car, kicking down the car. You understand? On St. Margaret Junction. Now I have really resorted. This is the last option that I am doing. Claxton Bay, Union Claxton Bay Secondary has a principal. Yes, she was fair to my children. She checked upon them on lunchtime. But I do not understand how it is a child will be in school and sexually assaulted in school. In school hours, you, the principal, teachers, and so on, are in school. So these children are not supervised? These children, is this the mother and father bedroom? They could just pull people, girl children, and interfere with them? You understand? I make it my duty to visit one of the parents this evening. Miss Lady, jump out. Why you touch my child for? Your son must attempt to rape my daughter, and I must not touch your child? I did at no point in time touch your child. The only time I pull him off my son, because he had my son in the ground and he was cuffing him in his face, so I pull him off my son, which I can attest to. But it has gotten extremely, extremely out of hand. And this, as I said, was the last option. If anyone view this video and them can advise me what to do, I will greatly appreciate it. Thank you.
Hear my advice. Start video record every encounter. See what I say? Yeah, you need evidence. Evidence is needed. No, evidence are needed. You see what I say? What would you do if you, as a parent, find yourself in a situation like that? What would you do? Would I really and truly like you leave a comment or comments and tell me what would you do? Well, they record me, I really and truly hear you. So you hear them things there? Why, oh boy, no wonder why you have some people up for shelter them pitney, you know. You have some people, it's like them afraid to go send them pitney go certain schools. And to be honest, me I tell you the truth, it's like, me can't blame them. Because each and every one have them own way and want to make sure so them pitney safe. You see me I say depending upon how them feel towards them pitney. Because some parents, you know, something wrong with some parents, you know. Me I tell you straight. You understand? Yeah, me know say it harsh for me say so, but some parents them behave some ways where me I feel wonder who are the parent or the parents. You understand? That set away me people. So what would you do if you as a parent find yourself in a situation like that where your children or even a child I go through certain things like where you're the person saying that video? That really and truly harsh. You see me I say I don't even know exactly which country the video will be recorded, but tell me what you think, but people. You see me I say you can't even tell me if you recognize the accent that the person using that video. Now I'm going to leave a video with you, but before I leave that video with you, I want to talk to you about a video that I saw on social media that shows a lot of garbage along with water flowing in a trench, viewers and subscribers. Some people might call the same trench a gully. Whatsoever you call it, viewers and subscribers, what I saw in the video don't look good. And you're looking at the video on your screen right now that I'm talking about, viewers and subscribers. You see me I say, the video shows a whole heap of garbage, as some people might say. It look bad, it look harmful, it look away. You see me? I'm going to say to each and every one, please put garbage in garbage bin. Put garbage where garbage are supposed to go. Don't throw no garbage on the ground. Because maybe all of the garbage where you see in this video right now might go into the sea or the ocean. So me just bring that awareness pertaining to that video that I saw. And that's not the only video that I saw that shows a similar situation in viewers and subscribers. See me I say, this is not the first, but my hopes at the last me I see a video like this. Before we move on and leave that video with you, I want to encourage each and everyone who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And if you have been watching Dancehall Skilla channel for some time now and have not yet clicked the subscribe button, please do so and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video, alright? Now I'm going to leave a video with you, my viewers and subscribers, and this video is going to show a person in handcuffs sitting on what some people within the country of Jamaica might call a hand cart. You see me? Some people might just say cart. You understand me? And the video shows a law enforcer pushing that thing that some people within the country of Jamaica call hand cart, while the person was sitting on it in handcuffs, viewers and subscribers. Alright? This video have no audio, and for some reason the video is being talked about on social media. So let me know what you think about this video. So I'm going to leave that video with you. And let me know what you think about this situation. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.